What is good, budget fan? It's your boy Sneaker on the Budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go and give me like, share, subscribe, and definitely help the channel because YouTube be holding us down out here, budget fam.
Stop it. Get some help.
Alright, so boom, guys. So some of you might know, some of you might know, some of you might not. Your boy got sent a little special surprise thing from Nicekicks. I was at brunch with a few friends, and then out of nowhere, I seen that somebody came up to the house like, we ain't got no packages at the house. What at the house? And then I seen that somebody dropped it off, so I rushed back to the house and seen what was on the thing, and it is from Nicekicks. Now, from what I was told, it might be a hoodie, but this thing seemed a little heavy for a hoodie, and it seemed like a little extra stuff in it. So we're gonna open this care package together. First of all, I appreciate Nicekicks for allowing me to win this or sending this up. They had a nice little cool thing, and I submitted something for it, so definitely shout out to Nicekicks for that. Let's see what's inside, because this bad boy is heavy, and I just hurt my arm trying to lift this up. So let's see what they got in here. Oh my gosh. At least that thing's secure, right? Okay, so bruh, this bad now. What? This better not be what I think it is, fam. Alright, so we got this Nicekicks hoodie, which is absolutely fire. The gray jump with the nice on the front. I dig that. This is some really dope material. I don't know what they use for that, but this is really sick. So cool little Nicekicks hoodie. The champion flex. That is sick with the night. Ooh, nice is there. Got some stickers and bruh. What? What? What the heck? Yo, even though I have this pair of shoes, even though I have this pair of kicks, they did not need to send me a pair of shoes, bro. They did not need to send me a pair of shoes. Thank you so much, Nicekicks, for even hooking your boy up with all this. Like, the whole fit is go. Like, come on. They did not need to send me this. I truly do appreciate it, y'all. Like, honestly. Like, I didn't actually think, when I was feeling it, I was like, yo, what if they give me a pair of shoes in this box? Like, I was legit thinking that. But I didn't actually think they'd actually send me a pair of shoes. Yo, thank you so much, guys. This is something you guys really didn't have to do. And it's a gift, and I appreciate that. Thank you. I've always talked about, you know, wanting to work with, you know, blogs and stuff like Nicekicks and things like that, and I've always talked about, you know, receiving stuff like this from a blog or a sneaker brand or something like that. So it's actually really dope that this is happening. Like, it's actually really cool that you guys did this. Like, I thank you so much for sending me just anything. Like, if you would have just done the hoodie and the stickers, I'd have been happy with that. But the fact that you sent me this, like, dude, honestly, thank you. Thank you to the people at Nicekicks. Thank you to everybody in that whole crew, the whole team. I would love to work with you guys in the future. I would love to. Thank you guys so much. I am really appreciative of this. Like, you don't understand, like this is crazy. Like, what this means to me, that you guys even sent me a pair of shoes. Like, wow. Like, thank you guys so much. I'm definitely going to be rocking this ASAP. ASAP. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you to the people at Nicekicks for hooking it up. Nicekicks, Des, all you guys. Like, y'all really didn't have to. And yo, thank you so much, y'all. This is your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. I'm about to sign off because this video doesn't need to be too long. But I thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for sending me these. Thank you guys so much for hooking people up. Thank you for what you guys do for the sneaker community. And again, it's your boy Sneakerhead on a budget. Find me on these social media, Sneakerhead on a budget on Instagram, The Real My Peasy on Twitter. I appreciate you guys. You guys have a good one. Have a great weekend. Peace.
Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.